I am Bal. I head AI for finance services and also transformation. And I've been working in broadly, ML, AI, classical AI for 20 years now. The key thing that I see in AI is J-curve is about to happen. And there are, banking industrialists who are thinking of AI will take a while to come forward. Do we have access to data? Will have enough transparency? Do you think regulators try to push, back on this and all? I think it's all going to open up, right? The moment enterprises have unlocked the data that they have, both structured and unstructured data, first-party data to third-party data, and that's what banks get the advantage to really transform all the processes that we're looking at, starting from fraud to IT operations, to security, to business operations, to front office, contact center, all the things it requires reimagination and transformation. The most important thing is we got to rethink of the processes and LLMs from enterprise LLM perspective. We have to bring in relational data into the aspect, and compute has really become much cheaper. So the processing power is high now. Apply the relational data with all the instant data to make it powerful for the organization. That's the key thing I learned today. See, today, every organization is thinking of how can I accelerate faster? How can I deliver better products, faster products, efficient products? How can I create more revenue, new business models? How can I change the way things are working today? How can I upgrade my talent who are suited for future? If you look at AI is not just a transformation. AI is about culture shift in the organization. And that's where primarily organizations have to look at it holistic way to really reimagine everything that's going on. It's almost look at what is input and output going to be there and use the two things to redefine the process. Let's not get caught up into redefining the process first. Just input output is more important. As a persona, every person has to look at how can I get my job done better and let the AI do all the inner plumbings for what needs to happen. It won't be done tomorrow. It's a journey. And organizations who have already spent their time, money, and thinking around scaling it to the level of comfort, you're going to take it forward. There's a huge potential, and we learned today, steam engine took 30 years to come to innovation, right? If that's the case which industry takes, now it's no more 30 years. Quantum will not be 10 years. Maybe 5 years we can see quantum around us. So the idea is, in the AI world, software engineering is done by AI now for the future. It's coming slowly. Junior engineers' work is getting transformed. Maybe tomorrow senior engineers' work will transform to AI. So that's not happening much, much faster. Hence, it's very, very important to bring academia and industry together, because industry problem which used to be 10 years down the line is going to be solved in next 2-3 years, right? The acute problem of fraud, security is very, very unique. I mean, people are talking about how can I really understand the network impact when I'm doing a payment transformation overall, right? So these things are very critical to be done today. So again, because AI is helping us solve problems which are for future years much, much sooner than next 2 to 3 years, it's very important to bring academia and industry together. And also it helps academia understand what's a real problem on the ground that they can put their might on focus on.